How do I create an effective action plan?
Hello and welcome. Today we're going to discuss a critical tool for achieving your goals, the action plan. We'll walk through a step-by-step process that you can follow to create your very own action plan. Remember, an effective action plan is a roadmap that helps you reach your goals efficiently and effectively.
What is your goal?
The first step in creating an action plan is identifying your goal. This may sound straightforward, but it's important to be as specific and measurable as possible. For example, instead of saying, "I want to lose weight," a better goal would be, "I want to lose 10 pounds in 3 months." This specific goal gives you a clear target and timeline to work towards.
What are the necessary steps to achieve your goal?
Once you've defined your goal, list down all the steps you'll need to take to achieve it. For instance, if your goal is to lose weight, steps may include create a meal plan, work out 5 times a week, or limit sugary food intake. Break down your goal into manageable steps to avoid feeling overwhelmed.
What is your timeline?
Next, allocate a timeline to each of these steps. Defining a time frame helps in keeping you on track and instills a sense of urgency, which can boost motivation.
What resources do you need?
Assess what resources you'll need to accomplish each step. Resources could include time, money, physical items, or even the assistance of other people. Understanding what resources you'll require will ensure that you're well prepared and can help you avoid potential roadblocks in your path to achieving your goal.
How will you track your progress?
Decide on how you'll monitor your progress. Regular check-ins can keep you motivated and allow you to make necessary adjustments to your plan as you progress. You could keep a journal, use a goal-setting app, or simply mark off completed tasks on a physical checklist. The key is to choose a method that works best for you. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating your effective action plan. Remember, having a detailed and well-thought-out action plan is like having a roadmap to success. We hope this guide helps you in creating your own action plan and propels you towards achieving your goals. Here's to your success.